with me again, Janine, Change for Success. Welcome to this tapping video. If you do like these videos, please do hit subscribe, share. But today we're going to work on self-acceptance. Self-acceptance is a real big topic that I see with my clients. A lot of the time we don't accept ourselves. We go into judgment, we go into beating ourselves up, we belittle ourselves. So today's tapping video is going to help you accept yourself a little bit more. If you can't accept yourself, who else can? So have a think about how this affects you. Is it, does it affect your personal life? Does it affect your confidence in work? And really just get into how this feels for yourself. I'm going to start doing some tapping on this. And I want you to notice where you feel this in your body as well. And maybe give this a number on a scale of 0 to 10. 10 is just, I don't accept myself at all. I beat myself up. I go into a lot of self-hatred and that kind of thing. 0 being, I completely accept myself. And give that a scale of 0 to 10. Just think about that for a moment. Let that kind of rattle around. And we're going to just start tapping on the side of the hand as we just get into this for you, okay? So I just feel that I don't accept myself. And I'm going to be open to letting go of some of that today. And instead, I choose to accept me now. All those times that I don't accept myself, I beat myself up. I go into negative self-talk. What if I can just let some of that go today? And instead, I choose to accept myself now. All these times that I feel that I beat myself up, this lack of self-worth, this lack of self-acceptance, I'm going to be open to letting some of that go today. And instead, I choose to accept myself now, and maybe anyone else that contributed to this old belief. So I'm just going to tap on the points. This lack of self-acceptance. I just feel like I don't accept myself. I often beat myself up. A lot of negative self-talk. I just often feel that I don't accept myself. And maybe it leads to a lack of self-worth, a lack of self-confidence. So many times where I just don't accept myself. And I beat myself up. And all those times I go into that automatic negative chitter-chatter. So many times where I just don't accept myself. And I beat myself up. And I feel so negative. And it just feels like a familiar pattern. What if I could be open to letting some of this go? But it just feels like part of who I am. All these times that I don't accept myself. It affects my personal life, my career. It affects my confidence, maybe my relationships. And what if I could be open to letting some of that go today? All these times that I beat myself up. Maybe I've just fell into automatic behaviours. What if I could let some of that go? Even if it's just a small amount. What if I could be open to accepting myself? What if I could let go of the need to beat myself up? What if I could let go of some of that negative self-talk? Maybe it just goes all the way back through my past. What if it's just connected to an old belief? A belief that limits me. A belief where I self-sabotage. What if I could be open to letting some of that go today? What if I got to choose? What if I got to be in control rather than let it control me? What if I could just raise my awareness, raise my energy, and know that I have got this self-worth. I've got this right to be here in these situations just like anyone else. So why not be open to letting some of this go? What if I could just tap into feelings of self-acceptance? Tap into feelings of self-worth? Tap into feelings of self-love? Even though it feels a bit strange to say. I'm going to be open to choosing today. I'm going to choose to be open to letting go all these old patterns, all these old ways of being. Tapping into feelings of self-acceptance, tapping into feelings of confidence, feeling a little lighter even, because I choose to let go today. Choosing to let go whatever's right for me. Letting go all the way back through my past. Feeling lighter and lighter. Tapping into feelings of self-love, self-worth. What if I could know I've got this? What if I could be open to letting go? Feeling lighter and lighter even as I speak. Choosing to know maybe it's just an old story. And I'm going to be open to letting go now. That's great. Take a nice deep breath for me. Breathe out. And again, I want you to check in with how you feel now. Just maybe notice what else came up. Do repeat this over and over again just to clear some of this old stuff out. And whatever else came up, I want you to kind of maybe look at writing that down and tap on that as well. And just check in what number you are now. What number you were before out of 10. What number you are now. That should hopefully have changed. And yeah, please do get in touch to let me know how you got on. And, you know, just keep tapping. Remember, there's only one of you. You're amazing just the way you are. I hope you feel a bit lighter after this video. As I say, please do hit subscribe and check out my other videos. And I look forward to hearing how you get on. You take care.